Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Okay, but before I'll show you how to do it, let's discuss why it's even right to perform that reboot. So basically when you have some problems, for example with a long time of opening the apps, it's taking really long before the app opens, or even it doesn't want to turn on completely. It's simply stuck and doesn't want to load. Or for example, when you have some problems with your lagging phone, unresponsive screen, that is why, and that's when you can perform a reboot, and reboot sometimes can help with those things and problems. And so to perform a reboot, all we need to do is to launch the power menu. We do it by holding the power button and volume down button at the same time for around 1 second. Just like that. And now, on the right side we have the restart button. Tap on it once. Now tap once again. You can now see that the Samsung logo disappeared, and now within a few seconds the phone will be turned on and it will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.